So the Planck time is a very tiny time. So until until we're strong at explaining gravity more fully, we might just kind of sort of not know what happened exactly at the Big Bang up until the Planck time, okay? Hi, Michael. The existence of a singularity at the beginning of the universe calls into question the very nature of space and particularly of time at the instant of creation. It would be nice to include at this point a clear definition of what time actually is. You guys ready? Everyone is familiar with what time does and how events tend to be ordered in sequences. We are used to describing events that invariably follow other events in terms of a chain of cause and effect, but we can't get much further than these simple ideas. In the end, the best statement of what is time is that time is whatever it is that is measured by clocks. We talked about the arrow of time and which way is time moving forwards. And remember, we said that there were sort of three ways of thinking about time. There's the cosmological time, and this is the arrow of time in which the universe expands. So if you are measuring time and you're seeing that the universe is still expanding, then you're good. You're going in the right direction. Then there's the thermodynamic way of getting the arrow of time, which is that the second law of thermodynamics says that entropy in the universe always increases. So if you're going forwards in time, or you think you are, and the entropy is still increasing, then you're good. And then there's the psychological meaning of time. According to, by the way, Stephen Hawking, these definitions, we read about this from his book, and he said psychological time is our perception of time, where we kind of remember the past, but we don't remember the future. And hopefully all three are kind of the same, and they are, as far as we think anyways, for us macroscopic beings. And so that is sort of something that we talked about already. I'm going to pause for a bit. So this chapter, this is the very last chapter on this book, which is a little tiny book on cosmology, where I think the author does a really good job of making everything very approachable. So I think we'll finish this up tomorrow. I'll look at your comments and questions in the meantime for the last part of this live. Okay, thank you everybody for being here. So there's just a little bit left. Some more things about time, successes of Einstein's theoretical breakthroughs. He kind of talks about time in the way in which I just summarized it. Big Bang certainly appears to have a preferred direction. The no boundary hypothesis, theories of everything. So we will finish this up tomorrow because it's quite interesting.